Hi friends, this is the Nifty update for 19th of February. So first we will have a look at what was the plan for today and what we did or what we could have done. So we'll go to the video of yesterday. I've kept it ready, the plan where we discuss the plan for today. So first we'll listen to that. Okay, so that was the plan for today. So basically idea was to exit the short and then see how market reacts at the level of 12,000, and in case 12,000 is broken we can reinitiate our short. So that was the plan. So today in the Telegram channel also I posted I exited my short, and then because 12,000 was broken I again initiated short with the stop loss at 12,000, and because we had a bounce this last trade I exited with marginal loss of 2 points. Anyways, now let's look at the plan for tomorrow. So as always, first we'll have a look at the chart. Okay, so now I will go to the plain chart. So today in Nifty we have formed a kind of hammer. Okay, so this is significant because there is a chance that this low of today's hammer around 11,900, if there are some support there, we can see a short term kind of reversal from this position. So that is from the chart perspective, from the candlestick pattern. However, if you look at this cluster of the moving averages around 12,050, all the three short term moving averages 50, 10 and 20 are at the same place. So any kind of bounce towards 12,050 is going to face tough resistance. So that is from the chart. Now let's look at the momentum. First we looked at the price, now we look at the momentum. If you see, today MACD has given sell signal. Okay, so momentum is obviously, I'll just show you the MACD. I'm changing the mobile position. So now MACD has turned negative, which is a negative signal for the Nifty. Now we'll see at the Excel sheet and other data. So now Caltiner channel is 11,769 and higher level is around 12,300. So nothing much from there. 10 period MA is 12,073. So any kind of bounce back towards this area is a good place to go short. Okay, now MACD has given sell signal. So maximum call open interest is at 12,200 at the same place where yesterday also the calls were standing. So maximum Y of put from 12,000, now it has shifted to 11,900. Max call build up, yesterday it was happening at 12,100, today happened at 12,000, which is negative. Max put build up happened at 12,050 yesterday, today it shifted to 11,900. So 11,900 looking like the next support area. From the chart also we saw that. Now put call ratio is at 1.1, which is a little far from oversold. So still we have some room for the market to fall. If it reaches 1 or 0.9, that is the area to go long again. Okay, so max span has again come down, so which is negative. VIX has increased a little from 14.4 to 14.5, which is again negative. See, now the important FIs have today again sold only 70 crores, but importantly they haven't bought anything. Although there is a minor pullback or 100-point kind of pullback in the Nifty in the last half an hour, if you see DIs also have gone short, FIs have sold in the index future 459 crores, index option they have bought. We'll see if it is future, if it is long or short. stock future also selling by FIs of 1100 crores. So if you look at this data volume, it is heavy selling, and the open interest and the volume, okay, the open interest and the FI data, both of them are pointing downward movement, or both of them indicating that there is no buying by smart money. Index future until yesterday 97,000 contract was short by FIs, and now it is 99. So through index, I mean the in the index, the position of FIs have increased for the short position. They have added their shorts. They have added onto their shorts in the option. They have, sorry, I mean to say, in through option also FIs have increased their short position. First we saw in future also they have added their short position. Now in the option also they have from 110,000 contract to 138,000 contract short. So short position has been increased. Now Nifty OI also has increased. Market has fallen and OI is increased. That means short positions overall. What we are looking here is the data of FIs. Now this Nifty OI is overall in the market by Indian, foreigners, including everyone. So OI also has increased, which is again negative. Now for tomorrow I wanted to show you the pivot points, because now we have something in the pivot. What pivot is doing today? Pivot point today, the CPR is very narrow. I mean for tomorrow the CPR is very narrow. So tomorrow again we can expect a kind of trending day. See, this is these three lines are narrow. So tomorrow we can expect a sizable move to either side. So what should be the plan? Now we'll go to the plan. Okay, again we will revisit the plan tomorrow. First let's discuss the plan. So S1 is at 923, S2 at 854, R1 is at 12,046 and R2 at 12,099. So for tomorrow the lower level is 850 and the higher level is 12,100. So what is the idea? Idea for tomorrow is to sell. See, tomorrow there could be, there is a possibility that market can bounce back also, but it can only bounce back around today's low. So only place where we can think of buying is 11,900 in case market takes support there and shows some kind of reversal. But the trend remains short. The price, momentum and the volume, everything is indicating lower level for the market. So any kind of bounce we should use to sell. Any kind of bounce towards 12,050 should be a good place to short, or if there is a initial breakdown from the first 15-minute bar, then also we can go short. Because CPR is showing a trending move for tomorrow, if we are neutral, let's say, then what we should do? We should wait for the first 15 minutes. If the high is crossed, go long. If low is crossed, go short. However, because other data are showing negative indication for tomorrow, the idea is to go short if the first 15-minute candle is broken. Okay, also go short if we get a bounce towards 12,050, and closely look at 11,900 in case market goes there. If market takes support there and if you are already short, exit there. And also you can think of buying, or we can think of buying if there is some kind of reversal at that point. So basic idea is to go short on a bounce toward 12,050, go short if there is a 15-minute breakdown, and keenly watch 11,900. Any kind of support from that level we should exit the short, and also look to go long in case market provides supports and reversal at that particular level. So take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor. See you tomorrow.